In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get transcript from YouTube Shorts. You can see this is Mr. Ali Abdal. You can choose your own shorts or others create a short. First of all, I choose this person. For example, this short. So I need to just copy this link.
So what time saving?
Share, then copy. Now, in order to going on my video description, when you click in the first link, you are redirected to this website. It's called like NoteGPT.io. Then you need to sign up with Gmail. Once you have done it, you need to click this AI transcriber. Then click YouTube transcript generator. Here is paste your targeted YouTube Shorts link. Then click generate transcript. Then wait few seconds. This AI tool generate transcript for you, less than few seconds. Wow, it's already created. Now just click on download button. Then here's a lots of format. You can choose your own way. I choose this txt. Then wow, it's already downloaded to my computer. It's easy method. Thanks for watching. See you again.